In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a very simple DIY for this hydrangea wreath. For this project, all you need is a grapevine wreath and some hydrangeas. I used Panicle Hydrangeas for this project. I really like that they have a strong stem. The woodier stem makes it easy to poke into the wreath. So before I started, I removed all of the leaves from the hydrangea. And then as I go along, I am trimming down the hydrangeas so that they only have a couple of inches of stem left over to poke into the wreath. Cutting down that stem just a bit helps to make sure that it doesn't stick out of the other side of the wreath. As you can see, I'm very simply just fishing the hydrangea stems into the grapevine wreath, making sure they're nice and snug. And because I want this wreath to look a bit uniform, I am poking in the hydrangea stems all at the same angle so that the hydrangea blooms lay in the same direction. And there are certainly no rules for how best to arrange your hydrangeas on the wreath, but I wanted to go for a full look and I wanted to only have the hydrangeas on the outer ring of the wreath because I also really liked the look of the grapevine wreath on its own, so I wanted to show that off as well. Now, one thing to note here is my hydrangeas are fresh, but they are mature. On this wreath, they're going to dry out and keep some of their color. Once I finish going through the whole wreath and laying down my first layer of hydrangeas, I just went back through, and any places that looked a little bit sparse, I put in a few more blooms just to get the full look that I was going for and make sure it was even throughout. And here is the final product. I hope you give it a try and tag me in a photo of the final result. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on growing your home and garden your way.